Sunlight on a coral reef, to the pitch black of the deep, rolling with the river as it flows along, from mountain feeder streams to the sea. In the rising and falling of our breaths, to the stillness of our death. Our joy, our fear, the way we love and hurt each other. You are close, you are here, in both self and other. In our pastures aplenty, in our seasons of dust, the times that we're fine and the times that we're lost, all things return to the one. In me and outside of me, in you and outside of you, in all the good and bad we could ever do. What does the one return to? In the rising of the midsummer sun, while on the other side of the world the winter night snow silently falls. Wakantanka buffalo, harp seal pup on an ice floe. You taste with every tongue a mother buzzard feeding her young, from the connected roots of aspen trees to the fire of their autumn leaves. You are the beating in the pulse of time and the synchronicity of rhyme, the melody in whale song in a crook hiding in a billabong, from the innermost parts of the human heart out to the farthest star. You will not be bound by our scriptures or our definitions, nor will you be bound by our ideas or our desires. Lord of the dead and alive, Isaiah 45, Lord of hell and heaven, verse 7. All things return to the one. Behold, you make all things anew, but there is nothing new under the sun. All things return to the one. But what does the